auspices of the Democratic Policy Committee led by. We have never had in the history of the country such obstruction. The president's nomination, he has no choice. He shall nominate. So he's going to nominate someone. But we've already been told there will be no hearings, there will be no vote, and then to make it even unbelievable, they won't even meet with this nominee. Have a regular luncheon, but we felt it was extremely important to make sure the Americans, we want them to do their jobs. That's all we ask. Do your jobs. You took an oath saying you will uphold the Constitution. That's all we're asking. And if they're going to live up to the oath that they took, becoming a United States Senator, well, they're going to have to reassess where their position is.
I have never once, whether the Democrats have been in control, we have always held hearings on Supreme Court nominees. We've always reported them to the full Senate for consideration. It's an important, transparent moment for the American public to see what we're doing. And what the Republicans have said in an unprecedented fashion, that even though under the Constitution they took a solemn oath before God.
For that, when I was a prosecutor, and we would depend on the Supreme Court to make incredibly important.
Why are they so adamant about blocking this president from making a Supreme Court appointment? Is it concern over the issues set to come before the court, or a desire to appoint a justice who may be inclined to put conservative ideology ahead of his or her obligations? Whatever the reason, the obstruction they're contemplating is unprecedented.
The pressure we're going to bring is to tell them to do their jobs. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do that every day. The fact is, it's been it.
There's plenty of precedent for Supreme Court confirmations in this situation. 14 of the 112 justices in our history were confirmed in the final year of a presidential term. And one of those was Justice Anthony Kennedy, a Californian who was confirmed in President Ronald Reagan's final year in office. It was a democratically controlled Senate that moved Kennedy's nomination to the floor.
Sorry.